Hi, I'm Rick Zanotti, and this is another quick review of a book I've always enjoyed. It's a very good book from a friend. I met him after he wrote the book, and we've become good friends after that. His name, John David Mann. He's an incredible writer of parables. He's also a very, very good musician. I think he combines both his music and his writing into one beautiful frequency. He's truly a good guy. Other books that he's famous for are the Go-Giver series, a wonderful series of books. You can go back and look at some of our episodes we've done on the Go-Giver on our Relatecasts channel, probably under the Life Edge, eLearn Chat. We've done them all over the place. You can search us for those. They're wonderful books. Recommend them to anybody. And this particular book was not a Go-Giver book. It was one he wrote with a famous chef, and it was called The Recipe. Now, as the title sounds, it's something about cooking, but it's also a recipe for life. And what a wonderful book. This book just touched me like probably none of his other books have, as well as this one, and I love his books. They all have an element of emotion in them and life, good and bad. You get to see a lot of it, but it's always uplifting in one way or another. And in The Recipe, he talks about a boy who lost his father, gets into a little bit of trouble here and there, and winds up at this little restaurant, if you will. And there he meets this older cook, the chef. And that's where the life lesson starts. And I'm not going to give anything away. This is a book you need to get, read, and enjoy. It's a wonderful, wonderful book. It truly can touch you. I think I very rarely have ever cried reading a book. I think he had me about 3 times on this one. I was shocked. One, because I can read just about anything. I can control it. But this one touched me. I don't know why. There was something in it, the way it was presented, the way he talks about the kid's dilemma, the experiences the kid is going through, and that chef, that magical chef who teaches him all those things that eventually, well, you'll find out. It's called The Recipe by John David Mann. If you want it, there's a link down below. It is truly a beautiful book. I don't know. I think there might be an Audible book on it as well. But do get the book. Not only will it be good for John David Mann, because I'd love bringing him business, because these are labors of love, and they truly are. And in that case, what a book. What a great book. The Recipe. I read this book about 4 years ago, I think, 3-4 years ago when it came out. Right before it came out, actually. And just wonderful book. Very, very good. Anyway, I'm Rick Zanotti for this little series of book reviews. Have a good one. Thanks.